Literally, y'all, I hit 10,000 subscribers. Wow. Like, no, but literally. I want to say thank you so much, because a couple weeks ago I had 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I started making, oh my god, I don't want to get teary-eyed. I started making YouTube videos when I was 19, doing my little wig reviews, and I loved it just because I loved making YouTube videos. And for what, I just started getting followers, and for 3 years I only had 78 subscribers. For 3 years, the only people who watched my videos was my mama and her friends, because she would post me on her Facebook. You heard my weight loss journey 6 months ago, and you guys started tapping in with me. And when I shared my breast job surgery and you guys were tapping in with me, I just really like, wow, it's amazing. Don't stop grinding. Don't stop doing, like, I often think about, like, if I had just given up based on the fact that I wasn't getting any views on my videos and where things might have gone. They thank you for the constant support. I know I be changing up. I be posting rap videos. I be posting weight loss videos. I be posting hair videos. Like, but y'all be tapping in, so it's all good. Say thank you. Thank you for your constant support. I do read your comments. I see your DMs. Thank you guys for being so supportive of me. I know that YouTube has become a place where there are a lot of internet trolls. The internet in general can be a very nasty place. And when I read comments that are so incredibly positive, it really lets me know. It reaffirms what I believe, that the world is still filled with more good people than bad people. And right now in America, I do know I have subscribers everywhere, but I'm American, and right now in America we are going through some shit, okay? And I feel like we need to be as positive as possible. So please don't forget to be nice. Please don't forget to be kind. You never know what someone else is going through, and you never know what a kind word can do for them. I know there have been days where I've been down and I've been going through it, and I hop on YouTube and I see someone saying, wow, this video really helped me. Wow, this video has really got me through what I'm going through. Thank you for being so inspirational. And y'all, like, that makes my day. Like, it makes me feel so good. Pass it on. Don't be a dickhead. Be a nice person. It's better to be nice than to be rude. We all know that. I know we all like to be like, nice for what? But nice because it's the right thing to do, bitch. I'll see you. Thank you guys for your support. I love you.